Hello guys, this is me Kanayash. Today I'm gonna show you how that Lovable cooked me a new thing. Since I got many workspaces, I easily made an framework engine or something. But the loss is that I got out of credits. Well, I have many types of workspaces, whatever. And plus I added more things. And now I am using Unity Framework Starter. Well, I've already downloaded it, plus there's a got it framework starter. And now let's go to Unity. Since I already downloaded the file, it's time to grab it. Oh, literally I just forgot to unzip the file. Oh, not Python. Okay. And now Unity. Now load it. What? Oh. I'm using the new version 6.5. We'll have to upgrade it, so you wait, guys. And now here I am in Unity. And now first I go to my assets editor. Oh, I don't need that. Whatever. Don't make be that. Whatever. And now let's first make an empty, also known as a game object like a jar filled with tools and even food, whatever. And now in here I'm gonna add a capsule, whatever, and I'm gonna name it Bob. Well, in that game, we'll have to rename it into CAMERA camera RIG camera rig. And here, okay. And now I'll just drag the main camera to the camera rig and pull it back here. And to make a first person, I kept it like this. Well, I'm gonna add a texture. Oh no, what have I done? Well, let's go back. Okay, and here I'm gonna create a new material. And now I'm gonna add red color. Red and blue are my same best. I love them a lot. And now a red spot, since it shows the thing of the high definition or something, whatever, or high definition pipeline. Okay, now let's add the scripts. Let me add the scripts. The Sonic player should be in Bob, whatever Lovable named it. And now, and it has, wait, what the? And now here is the character control and the controller script. And you might be wondering what's the script, since I'm using. Here is all the scripts. Lovable literally reached 255. That's a lot of scripts, right guys? Because everything is C#. Oh, who kept it? Whatever, I'm gonna just delete it. And now add it to Mr. Bob. And now let's add a plane. Wait. The camera why I'm just going here, whatever I hate this. I'm gonna set the camera rig to the empty that I have made, and now the non-transform should be, and now the target should be to Bob. And now let's try to get started. But first I have to add a 3D object, which is literally a plane, and use pressure. And now I've added it. And now you might be saying how to orbit. But the way is this. Using a right mouse. Whatever, it's not working. I don't know. Maybe there must be a mistake. I'll fix that. Okay, here's this Tesla. Well, it doesn't work like that actually, but it's still good to me. And the main problem is that it doesn't support first person, whatever. And let me try add an enemy. Well, I'll show that on my next video. See you later. Bye.